Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is just gonna be a quick little weather update, and it won't be on a storm that happened in the east. That storm was just absolutely insane. I hope everybody was safe, and if you had the snow, you had fun in it. Hopefully, no one got hurt. But today's video won't be on it. Today's video will be a chance of snow in the Midwest, and there's actually gonna be a couple of chances, so I'm pretty excited because I live in the Midwest. So let's get right into it. So first off, you can see quite a quiet weather pattern. There's going to be high sitting across northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, and that's going to bring in the cold air for much of the Midwest and Northeast before a storm system pushes it out. Now, this is the GFS model. It shows one system right here and one system up here. Earlier on in the week, it was showing that these two systems would merge together and form pretty big storm across areas like Chicago, Madison, Green Bay, Minneapolis, but now it just looks like as if they will be separated and not much snow will fall in areas like Chicago. So nothing too much to speak of, but it could be another shot of snow for the Northeast with that one. But as you can see, there's another chance of snow that happens midweek next week. So that's another thing to watch for, and another snowstorm in the Northeast. But areas like Boston would see rain or freezing rain. But I mean, guys, overall, this is not that of an active pattern right now. There's just a lot of cold air. There will be a big warm up in many ways. Let's go to 2 meter temperature anomalies. So as of now, it's cold. Anywhere you see the blue is basically below average temperatures. Anywhere you see the red is above average temperatures. And you could see the red just overtakes much of the country. There's going to be some brief blues, but overall there's going to be some cold shots, but there's going to be quite a bit of warm air, much warmer than we have previously expected. And look at that, it's just extremely warm air takes over. This is the GFS. Now they might be a little bit more aggressive than what actually might happen, but let's still go to the 2 meter temperature, actual temperature, and let's see how warm it will get with those blazing hot temperature you saw on the anomalies. And you can see it's gonna be quite warm. I mean, 40s, 30s across much of the country, and you can see that it's gonna be above freezing for much of the country if this is to be correct. So a lot of the snowpack would definitely melt down, and it would pretty much be a goner for all the snow. Snow lovers, this isn't good news, but it probably will happen sooner or later. And guys, if you have access to a European model that shows your precipitation and surface map and all that, please give it to me, because on Tropical Tidbits, there's only this, and it doesn't really show you the precipitation. It's just a geopotential height, 500 millibars, and it just shows you the lows, but doesn't really show you whether precipitation is going to fall. I would still really appreciate if you gave me a link to a website that has the European model on it. So thank you if you have that. But overall, guys, warm up on the way. Um, a lot of chances for snow, even though there's gonna be warmer than average. But again, the National Weather Service for my area with that snowstorm that's supposed to happen this weekend, it's actually showing snow likely and then chance of snow. And it's been decreasing the chances because earlier on in the day it was 70. The Sunday night was also likely. Now it's just chance of snow. So I think the National Weather Service is just going to be decreasing the snowfall amounts to pretty much nothing, because I don't think much will happen with this snowstorm. Let's look at the NAM model. The NAM model, I mean, if it does, then I'll definitely keep you guys updated on it. But the NAM model, you can see, doesn't show much more. Shows that system right here. It's like almost an Alberta Clipper, and a Pacific system right here coming from the Pacific. It's going to bring snow and a little bit of ice to areas like St. Louis. But the northern system is going to leave a little swath of snow across northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. But that's not much to worry about. You could see it's just a little bit, couple of inches, maybe 1 or 2 inches, not much. But we'll need to keep watching for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have a website that shows a European model with the surface and preset maps and just all the, if you have a European model that shows all its features, please guys give it to me. I'd really appreciate it. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking the video. See you guys in the next episode.